Hi, Dan Rooney. This video is going to show you how to take mouthwash from Act and reuse it because of the school dispenser. So let's suppose you've got Listerine and you want to have the perfect amount dispensed. You're going to be using a container like this. That's a pain in the neck. So how do you make it so you can save this bottle and reuse it for any kind of mouthwash you want? So Listerine, some store-bought brand, doesn't matter, we're going to reuse it. And we're going to have this really cool dispenser here. So I'll show you that in just a second. So all you need is an empty bottle. Luckily I happen to have one right here. Take the empty bottle and you want to pull out the centerpiece. So this plug, with a little effort, will come right out. I'm going to use this pliers here. I just plugged it out. Plug is out. Now what we need to do is put our mouthwash into this bottle. Put the plug back in and we're good to go. I'm going to take my Listerine, pour it in. I don't need to pour all the way. Just want to show you how it works. But of course you'd pour as much in as you'd like. Here I go. I put enough in. And now we're going to take our plug and put it back. What I found an easy way to get the plug back in is push it really hard, but don't hurt your hand. You're going to hear a click. Just take your handy dandy top, push it down, and you're going to click. There it goes. It's clicked in, and we're good to go. Now dispense your mouthwash and enjoy. If you like this video or have comments, please put it down below. Please give me a thumbs up. If you want handy dandy tricks like this in the future, please remember to subscribe. Also, if you're going to reuse this video to show others how to do it and make your own video, please remember to give Dan Rooney credit in your video. Thank you very much and help save the planet. Stop throwing these bottles away.